To better understand it, I created a concept called door hinge analogy. This contact is like the motion of the door in your house. Anything that is opening and closing has a hinge axis. You can imagine the hinge axis of the jaw joint as the hinge axis of a door. The lower jaw teeth at the door, while the upper jaw teeth at the door frame. The hinge axis of the door allows the door to open and close smoothly. But if there is a protrusion, say a nail, near the hinge, the door can't close smoothly. But not only that, this protrusion becomes a wedge between the door and door frame, such that when we force it to close, it creates leverage or seesaw movement that impacts and eventually weakens the hinge axis. The same goes with our dental faculties. If there is a protruding molar tooth, it can hinder the precise contact between the upper and lower incisor teeth during chewing. This situation will not only cause wear and tear on the molar tooth that could lead to its eventual damage and loss, but it also lead to TMJ disorder. The solution is to level the protruding molar tooth through shaving. This kind of condition and treatment is specialty of my clinic. Anyway, if the protruding tooth is away from jaw joint like an incisor tooth, there is minimal or no impact on the TMJ because it doesn't create leverage or seesaw movement. So we recommend correcting the teeth near the jaw joint. Thank you for watching this video.
僕は森を手にクジラを取りに行くいつもその海は静まり